Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Vanilla, consultant anesthetist, and I take great pleasure in welcoming you to Raaonline.co.in. Today we're going to concentrate on an important topic in obstetric anesthesia, the basic physiological changes in pregnancy and anesthetic implications. So why we say this is so important is, unless you understand the basic physiological changes that happen through in a mother in the 40 weeks that she's going through, we will not be able to manage if there are any complications and if at all she needs anesthetic management. And henceforth, it's important to have a very good understanding of physiology. So what are the objectives of this session? You're going to have a basic understanding of adaptations in normal pregnancy. So why are these happening and how does it actually happen? We need to know the entire process to actually get a grip on the adaptations in pregnancy. So we're going to go through system-wise changes and next understand how it applies in anesthetic management, keeping in mind that maternal safety is high priority at all time. So here we have a triad in pregnancy where you have anatomical, physiological changes that are happening and your clinical management has got to match this. So why are these changes happening? Firstly, to meet the demands of the fetus. Yes, so the baby is growing fast from a small embryo to a baby going to ready to come out and have a life in this world. So the mother is going to prepare the fetus and to prepare herself for the process of delivery. And henceforth, there are multiple changes happening in the body, and that is why we're going to concentrate on. And what may also happen is, in this process, when the body is getting geared up and going in full gear for the pregnancy, she may unmask an underlying disease. For example, an autoimmune disorder, a rheumatic valvular heart disease, or diabetes, or a hypertension, or any other medical problems that she may have been born with or developed during the process of pregnancy. And henceforth, it's very important to closely watch her and monitor her. So here, this is a slide that shows us a pregnant lady in whom we can expect multitude changes, primarily the hormonal changes. Now she's got the placenta releasing hormones from the beginning. We have the HCG in the initial stages, and after placentation is completed, you have the progesterone and the estrogen that continuously increase and cause changes in every system. So they're going to be change in every organ system involved, primarily the cardiovascular to meet the demands, the respiratory changes, the neuronal system, mechanical changes to actually allow the body to accommodate the baby, and multiple metabolic changes. So we're going to go through every system one by one and focus on the key points that are relevant in anesthetic management.